Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're going to be talking about the GGMM wireless Bluetooth smart speaker. This little speaker packs a big punch, with 10W stereo sound and support for Alexa and Spotify streaming. It's the perfect companion for outdoor adventures or even just a fun party at home. With two connection modes, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily stream your favorite music from any device. Plus, the built-in 2200 mAh lithium battery provides up to 14 hours of continuous play in Bluetooth mode, and up to 5 hours in Wi-Fi mode. That means you can keep the music going all day long without needing to worry about recharging. But that's not all. This speaker also has built-in microphones for hands-free calls and supports Alexa voice control. Plus, with the exclusive GGMM app, you can easily control and customize your music experience. Not to mention, the portable mini design makes it easy to take this speaker with you wherever you go. It's lightweight and compact, perfect for travel or outdoor use. And the best part, you can create a multi-room music experience by connecting multiple GGMM E-series speakers. How cool is that? So if you're looking for a high-quality, versatile Bluetooth speaker with all the bells and whistles, look no further than the GGMM wireless Bluetooth smart speaker. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one of these amazing speakers and take your music experience to the next level. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let us know in the comments what you think of the GGMM wireless Bluetooth smart speaker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.